Hello everyone, I am Jamadar from Department of Information Technology, All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society Institute of Information Technology. Welcome you to Extreme Programming. We are going through sessions on software engineering. I welcome you for Extreme Programming session. This is one of the Agile process or the concept used in Agile processes. So what it is, we'll see in this video. Extreme programming, we call sometime it as a XP. It is one of the most important software development framework of agile models. We have different agile models frameworks, and this is one of the common and most popularly used one. It is used to improve software quality and responsive to customer requirements. Again, responsive we mean here we welcome the changes and we entertain a customer willingly, happily. The extreme programming model recommends taking the best practices that have worked well in the past in program development projects to extreme levels. So your past best practices are your model for further new projects. What was best in the past, that you will refer, you will use extreme to extreme levels so that you can get the same level of quality. What are the pillars of extreme programming? The pillars, or you can say the 5 values of XP are communication, simplicity, feedback, courage and respect. So as this is one of the agile process itself, it basically works on the same manifesto. Whatever we find, it maps with the manifesto. Whatever we find here, it maps with the principles. I have already discussed the manifesto. You can see my video on manifesto, so that these 5 values we can map to the manifesto. We have seen one of the manifesto was like we give always a preference to individuals in the team, individuals, so that individual collaboration, that all forms here communication. Simplicity, in the principle we have said, one of the principle is you should be, your things, your approach should be simple. You should not create any unnecessary complex things. Feedback, whenever you keep delivering the software, very often, very frequently, you must deliver the working software. Whenever the working software is given to the customer will interact, he'll give the feedback. You need to incorporate again the changes. Then courage. So any new thing, if you want to implement, any new policy you want to implement, any new technology you want to incorporate, you must have courage to convince your management, to convince the project manager, the team leader. As a developer, you should have courage. You should have courage to convince the customer. That is what the meaning here. Then respect. In our team, there are developers, there are team leader, project manager. This way, that whatever hierarchy is there, you must respect the people in your hierarchy. You must respect your subordinates. You must respect the people working under you. This is how you should create a good culture, goodwill, and that will be only possible by respecting each other. You must respect the customer. You must respect the customer, must respect the development team. This is how you can create a goodwill and get the work done. That is, you can get the software developed. These are the 5 pillars of XP. So in a nutshell, we can say communication, it's one of the first thing, simplicity, feedback, courage and respect. So if you remember these 5 things, you will be able to incorporate extreme programming. These are, hope you got an idea what extreme programming is and enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching.